Why is my vanilla gift card being declined? 2025 method. You swipe your vanilla gift card. The cashier waits. Then it happens. Declined. Your heart drops, and you wonder if your money just vanished. Most people get this wrong, but here's why your vanilla gift card is being declined and what you can do in 2025 to fix it fast. The first and most common reason is an incorrect balance. Vanilla cards do not allow partial authorizations at many stores. That means if your purchase is even $1 more than your available balance, the entire transaction fails. For example, if you have $49 left and your total is $50.20, the card will be declined. The solution is simple but powerful. Always check your balance online before you shop and make sure your total is below your available amount. Another major issue is online merchant restrictions. Vanilla cards are prepaid debit cards, not true bank debit cards. Many online stores require cards with a registered billing address. Most people skip the card registration step, but that is a critical mistake. You need to go to the official Vanilla Card website and register your name and ZIP code. Once registered, your card can pass address verification systems and suddenly start working on many websites that previously rejected it. You won't believe what happens next because even gas stations can cause problems. Gas pumps often place a temporary authorization hold of $100 or more before allowing you to pump fuel. If your card does not have that much available, it will be declined even if you only plan to buy $20 of gas. The fix is to go inside and pay the cashier instead of paying at the pump. Another surprising truth is that many subscription services block prepaid cards. Streaming services, gaming memberships, and recurring billing merchants often reject vanilla cards because they cannot guarantee ongoing payments. Even if your balance is full today, these companies want a traditional debit or credit card for renewals. Security blocks can also cause sudden declines. If your card is used in multiple states quickly, or for unusual purchases, the system may freeze it temporarily. In this case, calling the support number on the back of the card can often remove the block within minutes. In 2025, one more new factor is fraud prevention software. Many online stores now automatically block prepaid gift cards for certain digital products like gift cards, cryptocurrency, and gaming currency. This is not a card problem. It is a store policy. To fix most vanilla declines, follow this simple system. First, check your balance. Second, register your ZIP code online. Third, avoid gas pumps and subscriptions. Fourth, use your card for regular retail purchases, groceries, clothing, and restaurant payments. The surprising truth is that vanilla cards are very reliable when used correctly. They are not broken. They are just misunderstood. So the next time your card gets declined, don't panic. Use these steps and your money will work for you again. If this helped you, stay tuned, because more everyday money fixes are coming your way.